Hey there, business owners. Are you ready to ace your regulatory audit? Today, I'm going to share essential preparation tips that'll help you pass with flying colors. Let's dive in. First up, get familiar with the regulations that apply to your industry. This might sound obvious, but you'd be surprised how many overlook this crucial step. Look up the specific guidelines and make sure you understand them inside and out. Next, create a compliance checklist. This is your roadmap to success. List out all the requirements you need to meet and break them down into manageable tasks. This will make the whole process less overwhelming. Now let's talk about documentation. Keep all your records organized and easily accessible. This includes everything from permits and licenses to training records and safety protocols. Auditors love to see well-maintained documentation. Regularly conduct internal audits. This is like a practice run for the big day. Catch any issues early and address them before the actual audit. Trust me, this will save you a ton of stress. Train your team. Everyone should know their role during the audit. Make sure they're familiar with the procedures and can answer basic questions about compliance. A well-prepared team is a confident team. Engage with a compliance expert. If you're feeling unsure, it's worth investing in professional advice. They can provide guidance specific to your industry and help you navigate any tricky areas. Maintain a positive relationship with your regulator. Communication is key. Don't wait until the audit to reach out. Keep an open line of dialogue and ask questions if you're unsure about anything. Stay up to date with regulatory changes. Regulations can change and you need to be in the know. Subscribe to industry newsletters, attend seminars, and keep your ear to the ground. Finally, stay calm and confident. Audits can be nerve-wracking, but remember, they're here to ensure safety and quality. If you've done your homework, you've got nothing to worry about. So, to recap, know your regulations, create a compliance checklist, organize your documentation, conduct internal audits, train your team, consult with experts, maintain a good relationship with your regulator, stay updated, and stay calm. There you have it. With these tips, you're all set to ace your regulatory audit. Thanks for watching, and remember, preparation is the key to confidence. Until next time, keep striving for excellence.